Alright everyone, this one is a hand-painted box. As you can see, it's packed so full it won't stay shut. This one I've got done in kids items, just to show you what that would be like. Now this cat does glow in the dark, and some of these beads I think do as well. So there's that. And this one has a glow-in-the-dark turtle and glow beads. Some stickers. Let's see. Here's mermaid with glow-in-the-dark beads and sparkles. Beautiful blue hair mermaid. It's a little bracelet. This beautiful necklace. Sparkly heart. Little keychain for keys or backpacks. Rock, paper, scissors. Another necklace. There's hearts on there. Little kid's ring. It's adjustable. Beautiful little stylus for their tablet or phone. Unicorn earrings. Cubic zirconium studs. Rubber ducky necklace. And a little teddy bear keychain to brighten your day. And inside of the box, it's hand painted as well. And the total of these items would be $75.50. But the cost to you, doing it as a bundle, mystery bundle, is $47, giving you a $28.50 profit. And your little girl would absolutely love you for it. These are some very beautiful pieces of jewelry, and we all know how little girls like to have jewelry like their mama. So there's that. And if you're interested, you can send me a message.